TossPay review. Is it worth it? Mobile payments are everywhere, and in South Korea, TossPay has become a popular choice. But is it really worth using compared to other payment apps? Let's dive into this quick review. So, what is TossPay? TossPay is a digital wallet and payment service offered by Viva Republica, the same company behind the Toss Super app. It helps you make quick online and offline payments, manage transfers, and even earn rewards. TossPay is widely accepted across e-commerce platforms and some in-store merchants in Korea. Here's what TossPay offers: one-tap payments for online shopping, fast peer-to-peer transfers with just a phone number, integration with Toss app for banking, investments, and credit tracking, security features like biometric authentication, and loyalty rewards and cashback for frequent users. It's designed to be a seamless extension of the Toss ecosystem. And now for the pros and cons. Its pros include it being super fast and convenient, especially for online shopping. No hidden fees for most transfers and payments, and it's backed by one of Korea's most trusted fintech companies. However, it has limited availability outside Korea, not ideal for global use. Some users may find better cashback rates with credit cards. Full benefits mostly apply if you're already using the Toss app. So is TossPay worth it? Yes. If you're in Korea and already part of the Toss ecosystem, it's one of the easiest and most rewarding payment methods available. For international users, though, its usefulness is limited. So there's an honest review of TossPay.